Hey guys, it's Shannon. So I just got back from the Dollar Tree and I thought I would do a Dollar Tree haul for you before I throw all this stuff and put it away. We are going to a Major League Baseball game this weekend, so I grabbed snacks for us to take with us there, as well as some supplies that we will need and some summer fun stuff. So let me show you what I got. All right, so here's a look at the kitchen table. I guess I will start over here. I found these really super cute bandanas and they're real soft. They are not that kind of scratchy, rough and stiff fabric. So I loved these, and there's two of them in here actually. So I'm going to do a project with those, of course. And then my son picked up this American flag glow stick thing. I don't know why. I'm sure he will have a blast with it. And then also for him, they had these super cute hippopotamus bubble makers. So it's gonna need batteries, of course, but a bubble machine for $1, I thought that was a heck of a deal. And of course, picked up bubbles to go with the bubble maker. And then for the baseball game, it's gonna be very warm here. It's gonna be in the 90s. So I bought all of us these little mini fans. So everybody picked out which one they liked. So a blue one, an orange one, and then these cute kind of red, white, and blue summery looking fans. And then also for the game, my son picked out some little kitty sunglasses. And then just to make sure they don't get lost, and he thought it was a cool idea, was to add the little sunglass cord that goes around your neck. And this is the color scheme he picked out, so I thought that was pretty cute. I also grabbed some more of this craft paper, the craft paper roll. I use this to protect my surfaces whenever I'm crafting and painting. And I did a video on that, so I will link that video in the description box below if you would like to see that and how I use the Dollar Tree craft paper. I got some weed barrier for an upcoming project, as well as these twist ties. This was in the garden section, and it's like twine and the little trimmer that cuts off the wire. And I thought that was a heck of a deal, because I know if you go to the craft store and buy this kind of thing, it's not $1. You're gonna pay more than $1. So that was a really good deal, I thought. So those two kind of go together for another project. And then for the baseball game, what do you have when you go to the baseball game? You have peanuts and Cracker Jacks. So Dollar Tree for the win, because I know when we get to the game, these are gonna be not $1. They will probably be much more. And then the Cracker Jacks actually came 3 for $1. So for $3, we get our peanuts and Cracker Jacks. And then I also picked up some cotton candy, because there's always a cotton candy guy running around trying to sell you cotton candy. So I wanted to make sure that the kids had cotton candy if they wanted it. Some ring pops. These are the freeze kind. You don't freeze them. It's just the flavor, but just something for the kids to snack on while we're there. And then the other thing I got for the baseball game were these Arizona combo trays with nachos. So of course, another thing you get at the baseball games is nachos. So Dollar Tree had the chips with the nacho cheese, and then my kiddos decided they wanted chips and salsa instead. So 4 of those, one for each of us. And then I also picked up, I've used these before and they are wonderful to wipe your car down the inside. You can use it for the outside, I'm sure, but I actually use it for the inside, and it gets into all those little cracks and crevices really good. And they get dirty and gross, filthy, and for $1, I just throw them away. I don't even wash them. I just grab a new one and keep it in my center console for the next time I go to clean my truck. And then I have the this is called Armor all-purpose cleaner already in my center console, and this is the auto glass cleaner. So I wanted to kind of add that to my stash for car cleaning. And then also forgot to add these. We're taking these to the game as well, so some Gatorade. And I like that these are twist tops, because then it's easy to just twist it open, take a drink, and then less likely to spill and less likely to be losing a cap that you're taking on and off. And the very last thing that I got from the Dollar Tree this trip was this really cute summer bag. So I'm actually gonna use this to carry all of the snacks to the baseball game in. So here's a look at all of the items that I got from Dollar Tree today. My son also got a pack of Nerds. He saw it on YouTube and had to have it, so he's already claimed and confiscated those. But all in all, this was a $33 haul, which is pretty much average for me, unfortunately. They definitely get you. However, I do think with such a big savings of just buying these things at the Dollar Tree versus buying them at the ball field, we actually saved quite a bit of money. I'm sure I would have spent $30 at least on these kinds of things, buying each one for everybody. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite item is from this haul. I would love to know. Also, let me know, what do you like to take to baseball games that seems to be, you know, good during the heat and when kiddos kind of get bored and tired. I would like to know oh, I forgot this one little bitty thing right here too. This was on my list to get from Walmart and I could not find them. It's a Heidlas rock, and they had them sitting there at the Dollar Tree, so super good find there too. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up for me. Hit the subscribe button. I do DIY tutorials every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Also hit that bell so that you get notified when my videos do go live. And I will see you all next time. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.